Krishna 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 Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare,
Hare Rama Ram Ram Hare Hare,
Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare,
Hare Rama Ram Ram Hare Hare,
Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Sri Chaitanya, His Life and His Associates, by His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj. In this book, associates Parshas who appeared 500 years ago and afterwards, their biographies are written by our Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj. So I will try to read this book in English, printed by Mandala Media. So in this book, there are many biographies. I will start first with our Guru Maharaj biography, which is given in the last page 295, Sri Chaitanya, His Life and Associates. Swami Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Maharaj. His Holiness Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Maharaj was born in 1924 in Assam, India on Ram Navami, the most auspicious appearance day of Lord Ramchandra. Having been brought up in a pious environment, he developed a strong inclination to search for truth, which led him to take up the study of philosophy at Calcutta University. After completing his MA in philosophy in 1947, he came in contact with his spiritual master, Srila Bhakti Daita Madhava Goswami Maharaj, and immediately became attracted by his divine and powerful personality. Srila Madhav Maharaj was one of the foremost followers of the illustrious preceptor of the pure devotional school of Bhakti Yoga, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada. From that time onward, Srila Tirth Maharaj completely dedicated his life to the service of his Guru. Soon he became secretary of the devotional institution Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, which has over 20 ashrams in India alone. As one of Madhav Maharaj's first sannyas disciples, he took the vow of renunciation in 1961. After the disappearance of Srila Madhav Goswami Maharaj in 1979, Srila Tirth Maharaj was appointed his successor as Acharya of the Math. During his lifetime, he received the blessings and intimate association of many Shiksha Gurus, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada's prominent followers, such as Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Hriday Ban Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj, Akinchana Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, and many others. For the last 5 decades, Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Goswami Maharaj preached the philosophy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to counter the modern trend of violence and cruelty and to bring about unity of hearts among all, irrespective of race, creed, or religion. Srila A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, the founder of ISKCON, had requested Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj to accompany him to the USA just prior to his launching of the Krishna consciousness movement, ISKCON, in the West in 1965. As he was engaged in the service of Gurudeva as secretary of Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math at that time, our Maharaj Ji humbly declined. Since 1997, however, at the request of Srila Bhakti Prabodh Puri Goswami Maharaj, Maharaj Ji has had traveled the globe several months a year, enlivening all who came in contact with his humble, sweet personality, extraordinary kirtan and message of divine love. To date, his preaching travels outside India have taken him around the world, including United Kingdom, Holland, France, Spain, Italy, Austria, Germany, Slovenia, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Hawaii, and throughout the continental US. Everyone is attracted by his eloquent, insightful, and most of all, purely devotional discourses. During his US tour in 1997, His Holiness Srila Tirth Maharaj addressed the United Nations World Peace Prayer Society and World Conference on Religion and Peace in New York City, offering them a succinct outline for world peace based upon the spiritual tenets of the ancient Vedas. His preaching programs over the past many years included many interesting dialogues with prominent Catholic, Protestant, Jewish, Hindu, and Baha'is theologians in such diverse settings as universities, interfaith groups, churches, Hindu temples, and a wide variety of metaphysical and private educational centers. All are invariably won over by his gentle and affectionate nature, combined with his resolute faith in Guru, Vaishnav, and Bhagavan. He has also spoken on the sublime teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on many radio and television programs, including a thought provoking interview on BBC Radio in 2000, which was broadcast worldwide. In addition to his role as Acharya of Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Srila Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Maharaj served as founder Acharya of Gokul, the global organization of Krishna Chaitanya's Universal Love, which was founded in 1997. He also served as president of World Vaishnav Association for a very long time, working 18 hours a day. Maharaj Ji always engaged in the service of humanity as a teacher of Vedic wisdom and philosophy of Bhakti Yoga, writing articles and books in Bengali, Hindi, and English. His English publications include the books Shuddha Bhakti, Sages of Ancient India, A Taste of Transcendental Sri Chaitanya, His Life and Associate, Dashavatar, and many other books. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।